Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to enhance your Divi Tooltip module by adding an icon. This is a simple way to elevate your design, make tooltips more visually engaging, and even incorporate a bit of custom branding. We'll be using the built-in Divi Icon module to achieve this without needing any custom code or plugins. Let's get started. Divi 5's nested modules and Flexbox capabilities make it incredibly straightforward to enhance the Tooltip module by adding an icon. Best of all, you don't need custom code or extra plugins. The process involves embedding an icon module directly into an existing tooltip and using Flexbox to position it exactly how you want. Let's dive in and walk through how to do it. To get started, open your tooltip layout in the Divi Builder. If you don't already have a tooltip set up, no worries. I've included a link in the accompanying post to a guide that walks you through creating one from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll use the example tooltip from that guide as our starting point to add an icon. To embed your icon into the tooltip module, start by locating the tooltip's action buttons. Right-click on the three-dot menu, which brings up additional options. From there, navigate to Add Element, and then select the Add Element Inside option. This will allow us to position the icon directly within the tooltip content. After selecting Add Element Inside, the Insert Module or Row menu will pop up. From here, scroll through the options or use the search bar to locate the icon module. Once you've found it, simply click to add it directly into the tooltip. This will embed the icon, ready for further customization. Now that the icon module is added, it's time to select the icon you want to display in your tooltip. Open the icon module settings, navigate to the icon option under the Content tab, and choose your desired icon from the library. This will set the icon that will appear alongside your tooltip content. Once you've added your icon, you can customize its appearance to better match your design. In the icon module settings, navigate to the Design tab. Here, you can adjust the icon's color under Icon Color or change its size under Icon Size. This lets you style the icon to complement your tooltip and overall layout perfectly. Let's refine the placement of your icon. Navigate back to the tooltip module's settings. By default, the icon appears below the tooltip content. To position the icon alongside the text, go to the Design tab, then Layout, and look for the Layout Direction option. Here, select the row reverse layout direction. This will align the elements side by side, with the icon appearing first, followed by the tooltip text. Now that the icon is aligned beside the text, you might notice there's a large gap between them. This is due to the default horizontal gap setting of 30 pixels in the tooltip's Flex settings. To adjust this, go to the tooltip module settings, navigate to Design, then Layout, and find the horizontal gap option. In this example, I've reduced the gap to 8 pixels, but you can customize this to suit your design. Adding the icon may have slightly altered the tooltip size, which can shift the position of the arrow on your image. To fix this, return to the tooltip module settings, go to the Design tab, then Tooltip, and adjust the tooltip direction option. This ensures the arrow points exactly where you want, keeping the tooltip positioning clean and precise. And there you have it. You've now learned how to add an icon to the Divi Tooltip module, enhancing its functionality and style. If there's something specific you'd like to explore next with the Divi Tooltip module, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.